Students, now after the completion of mammary gland, we will study here about the gametogenesis. Gametogenesis in detail in case of male and female. So the term itself tells about it, that is gameto means gamete. Already you know about it. Genesis means formation. So what thing it will include? It will include formation of male and female gametes. So male and female gametes will be formed, and that we will study under the gametogenesis. What happens, where this process takes place, or overall you can say how the gametogenesis takes place, we will study here. So formation of male and female gametes in the respective body means the male gamete will be made in the male body, of course, and the female gametes in the female body, and respective body will be along with the respective primary sex organs. Respective body and respective primary sex organs. So primary sex organs will be basically responsible for the formation of the gametes. So for the male gamete will be formed in where? Testis, and the female gamete will be formed in ovary. One thing. Another, the male gamete, whatever is formed, that is male gamete or sperm, formed in testis, or female gamete or ova is formed in the ovary. Now, to see the things more here, what are there? That is, gamete form in the testis, or gamete was the sperm, and that is the formation of sperm, so it is called spermatogenesis. So spermatogenesis is taking place in the male gamete, male testis, where sperm will form, and the oogenesis will take place in the ovary, where the ova will be formed. So that is spermatogenesis. This is the process, and similarly here the name of process is oogenesis. The process of formation of a female gamete in the ovary is oogenesis. One thing you will have to remember here, each and every figure of NCERT, diagram of NCERT book is very important. Even in case of mammary gland, I had mentioned you. These type of structures, whatever are given in the textbook, you will make it, draw it in your copies also. Now, one another thing. So male gamete is in the testis and female gamete in the ovary. Now what see we here, that we can study further in detail about the spermatogenesis. So let's see the study of spermatogenesis. This is spermatogenesis. Already you know here that form in the testis, takes place in the testis, but from where it begins? It begins not at the every age, it begins at puberty age. It begins at puberty age, and in this stage, for the formation of sperm, the specific structure, immature germ cells are found in by immature germ cells of testis, that is spermatogonia. Spermatogonia. So this is the basic structure present in the testis, which have number of chromosome is equal to 46 as it is found in the human body. 2n is equal to 46. So testis takes in testis there is spermatogonia, which is basically present at inside wall of seminiferous tubules. At inside wall of seminiferous tubules. These are present at the inside wall of seminiferous tubules. So later we will see how the spermatogonia is involved and how it makes different types, how it makes the male gamete, that is